Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today in line, we will look at the Minister of Justice defend why he released suspect linked to the Freedom Hotel death. Second, we will look at a serious political clash between Ateny and veteran politician Aldo Ajou over Vice President Dr. Benjamin Bolmel. And third, we'll look at, after almost a year of silence, the South Sudan cabinet finally resumed weekly meeting. Stay tuned as we break down every detail. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel. And also do not forget to hit the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin it with Justice Minister defend Freedom Hotel death. Today we began it in Juba, where the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Joseph Geng Akech, has publicly defended his decision to release the owner and staff of Freedom Hotel, the same hotel where 3 women tragically died earlier this year in March. This story has shocked the nation and sparked huge debates across the public and parliament. Earlier this week, Minister Geng appeared before the National Assembly to explain why the suspects were freed on bail. He said very clearly his action followed the law, not politics or personal interest. Well, listen to what he told lawmakers. He said the law does not allow us to keep people in prison forever without trial, Geng said. When a crime happens, the prosecutor must take the suspect to court. That is the proper legal process. According to Geng, the suspect lawyer complained that their client had been detained for too long without facing trial. After reviewing the case, the Director of Public Prosecution agreed and directed that the suspect be taken to court while the hotel itself could reopen, except for the specific room where the woman died. But the decision didn't sit well with everyone. The Undersecretary of the Ministry of Justice initially overturned it after pressure from the victim families. The suspect lawyer appealed again, this time directly to the minister himself, which law allows. Geng told Parliament that he acted within his legal power and did nothing wrong. He stressed that his job as a minister is not to keep suspect locked up, but to make sure justice is done through the court system. He said, I didn't drop the case. He said, I only made sure it goes before a judge so both sides can get justice, the victim and the accused. Rumors began to circulate online, claiming that Geng took a bribe to release the suspect, but the minister called those rumors lies meant to damage my reputation. He added that the case is still active and the Court of Appeal and that the victim private lawyer has appealed against his decision. This case has captured national attention since March, when the bodies of 3 women were found inside one of the hotel rooms. Many South Sudanese demand a quick justice. Hotel room, because they died in the hotel, while at the Haji come and do a process. According to the report, the 3 women were locked inside. The minister ended his speech with a strong message. Our justice system is built on the idea that everyone is innocent until proved guilty. It is not the politician or the media who decide guilt, it is the court itself. This case will now move to the Court of Appeal. Many eyes are watching how South Sudan justice system will handle it. Will the court deliver fair judgment, or will politics interfere with it again? We will keep you updated as the story continues to unfold. Our second top story is about Ateny and Aldo Ajou clash over Vice President Bolmel. Please help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so that when we upload a new video, you can be notified. Our second story takes us deep into South Sudan political world. A dramatic war of words between 2 well-known figures, Ateny and Dr. Aldo Ajou Akwe. The clash began when Ateny, the former presidential press secretary, called for Vice President Dr. Benjamin Bolmel to be removed from office. Ateny accused Bolmel of going beyond his power by reassigning the president's personal bodyguard. His statement quickly spread on social media and caused a storm, dividing the political community, especially within the powerful Awil political bloc. Many Awil elders called for reconciliation between the 2 men, but Dr. Aldo, writing from London, rejected the idea of making peace with Ateny. In a public letter to Kuala Tian Mawin, chairman of the Awil community and an SPLM senior members, Dr. Aldo wrote that reconciliation with Ateny would be a waste of time. Ateny is not a public leader and will never be one, Aldo wrote. When he worked in the office of the president of Salva Kiir Mayardit, he acted above ministers and disrespected his colleagues. Aldo accused Ateny of political betrayal dating back to 2010, claiming he conspired with General Paul Malong to push senior Awil leader aside. He even accused Ateny of leaking confidential information from the president's office. Aldo ended his letter with a powerful statement: "Leave him alone to dig his own political grave." That phrase, "dig his own political grave," went viral across South Sudanese social media platforms, turning the feud into one of the most discussed political dramas of the month. But Ateny didn't stay silent. He hit back with a strong response. Ateny said, "Aldo tried to bury my character alive. He said I respected him as an elder who could unite us, but if he chose side, let him stand where he belonged." Ateny accused Dr. Aldo of hypocrisy, bringing up his past in Khartoum, where, according to Ateny, 2 massacres of Southern Sudanese occurred during Aldo's service as Deputy Prime Minister of Sudan. He continued saying, "Aldo acts as if leadership in Awil belong only to one region, Awil East. Unless there are no elections," Ateny said, "I can still be a leader in Aldo world." He also announced that he will publish an article titled "Why the Ego and Psychophancy Don't Retire or Get Old," promising to reveal what he called the arrogance of South Sudan's political oligarch. This public dispute has opened a window into the deep crack within the Awil political circle, a group long seen as the heart of President Salva Kiir Mayardit's political power base. Experts say that the feud is more than just personal insult. It represents a generational struggle. The old guard like Aldo, Ajou, loyal to SPLM tradition, versus younger politicians like Ateny, who want more freedom and change. The timing of this division worries many political observers, especially as South Sudan moves closer to its long-awaited national election. At the center of the storm is Vice President Dr. Benjamin Bolmel, the man both sides are fighting about. Dr. Bolmel is known as one of Juba's most influential figures, a businessman turned politician who led the South Sudan Chamber of Commerce before becoming vice president in charge of the economic cluster. In 2023, he faced United Nations sanctions for alleged corruption and activities, according to the UN, undermined peace, but despite that, Bolmel remained one of President Salva Kiir Mayardit's closest allies. For now, the political drama between Ateny and Aldo seems far from over. As one political analyst said, when elephants fight, the grass suffer. It is clear that this internal division could shake the unity of the Awil bloc and maybe even affect national politics as the country are prepared for election. We will continue monitoring this story and bring you updates as they happen. Let's move on to Juba, cabinet to resume weekly meeting after 1 year break. Our final story today bring a sign of renewed activity inside South Sudan government. After almost a full year of silence, the council minister that is the national cabinet is finally returning to regular weekly meeting. The announcement came from Martinilia Lumoro, the minister of cabinet affair. In a statement released on Tuesday, Lumoro said the cabinet will officially resume its session on Friday, November 14, 2025. He said preparations are already underway for the reopening of the Council of Ministers meeting. According to Lumoro, the long break happened because the Council of Ministers building in Juba was under renovation. However, not everyone believed that. Opposition leaders and analysts say the real reason might be political, linked to the arrest of Dr. Machar and the ongoing trial of first Vice President Dr. Machar, one of the main signatories of the 2018 peace deal. Before the meeting resumed, Lumoro announced that all cabinet members will attend a special induction training at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The aim is to refresh ministers on how the cabinet works, how decisions are made, and how government coordination should improve. He added that this new beginning is about teamwork, discipline, and renewed energy. We want ministers to work together with purpose, Lumoro said. Our people need results, not excuses. The government of South Sudan hope that bringing back weekly cabinet meeting will help speed up national program, from peace implementation to service delivery and economic recovery. Political observers also believe this move could restore public trust and show that the unity government is still functional after months of internal struggles and inactivity. As the session resume, expectations are high. Many South Sudanese youth and the people are watching to see whether the government will finally take concrete action on long-delayed reform and peace commitment. The country faces serious challenges from economic hardship and insecurity to the need for free and fair election. Resuming cabinet meeting is a positive step, but people want to see result. Biakamal Guaseme ka Changfied Guatame Bane right kitchen corner lat Carodian. Me jiram jidit goren ojin vi Changfied YouTube channel bi subscribe ko bi notification bell bi jetwine committee mi ci bare guas be chamala shube ke jikapet. Bana je to ka leraniam rojan chalat ka kwi wut kamen cap luangoni la justice minister wajen chero de defend wudi chala Joseph ganga kech jen jaram dana gwan ngoni jen chero de defend gwan mi mo charami chala de no cha mendang diok sha kan ko tele che jelo alor hotel chana naktin hotel chala freedom hotel ke Juba mendang diok te wacho toy karonkel de mendang diok tone Shiedian chow niano chow jeno guat molo shikaliu no che kor tenika de kolar shirmi almost a year right now ko titi token ka pai dio jen jimandang dio de ti chiko toy duel gwar nyet and when money wa ka wer shu ko liuten kwa lo jigalo wa kwai nika ka kor ka me sharam danu bi keno ne ka me chaje yen mi chaje yen on den che te ka pedial charo chajalat and what money wa chinetin contin lal defend lo yaram mo wa chika we ka ko tika la no tem right now randa tere ti gen ka jeno sha luk chaje mal queen pin ka lo de ando badana yan ka je she chula no ngweno de ka luñ de je luñ de no dong batere ti gen ka tele charges se cha no ka tele evident cha no ka queen ndang doctor kon chiliu wa charam mo chai chu kambrar ka liang na ka jene te konte te ka gwarnya dang dokte kone shana gre hotel ka freedom hotel watch lodin ye chu jada long wena mo shikaluki kan nyom lep kana wachi kan wude shal ka me Joseph gang akech wachi kan mak gwad mak jetin wajen chaje gno jene rami mo mi sha moy ke yo ke cha kok no alo chaje bribe ke Joseph gang akej la no ne an store mi shikana mo en go han sha kok yo jene she tok jene han tailoring muchalat but chen rande yen ram chalu de chaje look no ka kor pen tungwan kitchenetin kon yan ka je kachiken be kadra no tere ti jen ajana shiram moderan yen bang no ka telung muchalu ka kan je dor ba kula ro jaram dana china chekenak no jene jen do dana lo je anyok look kana gak look te onka but telo ni je chang she case mi chitana me la look me wa chajo la national assembly naka parliament lo cha gang cha je tich lo nam dala justice minister cha je tije no ngul le mi shirka namaka je je no ngot chikana jako de rande tre ti jen bang ka do mi mo kane kon du ka je jaran mi che der che dir no binet ko la persecutory bekan action bekan kan ka ko baramo ba ji look mi ram mi ba yen ka run ka ba chu yen ka mi ram ba luin ko tele der ba chu luin but cha pele je bang no lo tele malat ke ci genge la no rami mo mi ci dor ci lat no dere gwan wo jen de je yen mi cha je dor ci genge la no ramdan lo ye dung ramdan la suspect ki ramdan gang ramdan cha la do ci mendang dong nak ci la no ci ben ka ko tele we mi tele den ya no ne ten kon yan ka je jen do dan lo ke je cha jo me cha je la no ka cha wude me cha je criticize lun ke cha je la jor no jen ate ka tet ko baram mo ba je luñ che la do yes lo nye je ka longa dana cha kam constitution ke ngot ko teram de yen me de ten je lora bang ka cha lu de cha je lu jen yen do dana lu nye je so jo me mi chalat jen gudo mo ka gwada dana e cha chinaro e kwide no jen cha je kok yo so from there che la no ne me shi to jen do dana chi to chana we ka dunga ten we ka ten kana wun shal ga Aldo Ajou na me report mi vej baje nyaa yake rola me to ga kam Ateny we ga ten kana Aldo Ajou ka kwi bol mel ati ga rol mi ci to ka kwi bol mel ala bol mel jen lat ke je jor ka ta dana dong tini je kwany re kuma ka no cha jo mo cha jala jen dana bana ling cha Ateny we ga ten den che cho ga ke bol mel che diere mo che bol mel che jaw defan so ban raja me ban je linkel ka dob dan je to ga je men je to re wi ka South Sudan dum siyasa ka kam Dr. Aldo Ajou den kan wuri shalka Ateny waga Ateny wa siyasa me bebe chala no Ateny waga Ateny je former presidential press secretary mi ci kon let kel kan Salva Kiir ci te muktab Salva Kiir jen she vice president Dr. Benjamin Bolmel no a chala no de je week office alo jen de Bolmel de je kapin ka commandant te la vice president no she Ateny waga Ateny che Bolmel che je gwanyen wo Bolmel no jen she power che je use ka do mi shajen a generation netin konti la president Kirma Yadid bodyguard chaka kwany ala personal bodyguard ne kon nganga Kirma Yadid au a generation bolmel ka kwany ka bom ka dobde a jena mo chi chong ka jodana chelat keje ka jom chiro de lat ke social media gwan mi mo shinete wan chikene gui ka dobdana chelat keje watch a community cheje dak especially ne content la awil yan ki awil political blog ne ko la jangnen content te ka mat kit nda daramo ka do badan shi bolmel ishe personal bodyguard che kwan gaje makan accept Ateny waga Ateny no kwa kuje no dong mi gwicha gude me jama I don't know me dong te ka ring de kan lat wala ngum to gon wala gon je no shi bolmel shi kwar che personal bodyguard nying dar ko ma char shi kala kwanya la jen no kete ne de dong de ka kwan chit ka point de nen self ke mi yadi dong jaram da de ne ka de ka kwani de kona de jaga chala do ne me chire ke chudo ok chude me mchal ke Dr. Aldo she bolmel che chu dipan ka war gam che gor gwat me she point de gudu chal ke me Dr. Aldo che war ga gor no che gor kola tian mawin no chairman ka will community ka jene SPLM senior member Dr. Aldo che la ro ne na ajani of course warga mi cha gor sorry gor ne tin kontin tin kontin cha jome cha jelin chicken warga chicken garu de sharka me Aldo Aldo me wun midit chicken garu warga no de kam de jelat kan bolmel sorry kan Ateny waga Ateny no chi wuri sharka me Aldo she look ajani cha chine kam da chine bulat kone wuri sharka me Ateny waga Ateny ko tele ne mar ka tele ne murum ne ajani Ateny waga Ateny nga ka politik ajana Ateny gan metot mi machine de mente ka right kel shi Aldo che Ateny waga Ateny che je gwanyin wona ne che wajen che political betrayal che je kon latelo che nas dio je che wedien che ka kon palpen ka gwase dan wajen chi omat kene General Paul Malong ka Paul Malong wa shu senior awe leader retungwan shu kan ka were kuma ka che Ateny waga Ateny che je gwan ka jena mone no kenyok bo cha nyok goinin go en Ateny waga Ateny medan mele rekana Kirma Yadit wate ke taniti che bentany rar ti che kamne ko kin cha la do ne me cha lokaje na me jen wuri shalka Aldo la ramoni ka jodan en chelat keje but chi Ateny waga Ateny gwad me che warga che nyoko muloje je ka do bdana chelat keje a jene lo de jen wuri shalka me Aldo ko lun medit but ti luda che be jen ka jen tama na a jena I respect him as an elder who could unite us but if he choose side let him stand where he belong a jene Michel choose ne side lo che chonkel kana bolmel a jene a chung wena mone Ateny che Dr. Aldo che je gwanyelong eno che riege dane che tuog no wal che de le bunong gwata me no gwade dane nguna tena kel ke jala yenta mone shi Ateny la do ne jeni en wuri shalka me Aldo cherik dangro che galat jeni te kan tam cha nan ne ke je jalamni ti cha South Sudan cha ne ke je ke tam dane te Aldo te la kwer ki deputy prime minister ke Sudan wa changa dor kana je stop no che je gwain ka jodan en chalat ke je gwas me lo jeni Aldo chana che ga ja na ke rami mo mla kwer midit ke deputy prime minister Sudan ke tel me chalat ke do be dane shama se ka cha jalat ke je so chikariye chicken ka change read batch ke jodan chalat gwasme ka gonya diere mo cheri jek che kon la no wal but di alu ga ben ka kwi bolmel gor Ateny waga Ateny no de jadil kaping wi kwa madana shakame chana woka joro den chana ipala mo chine de konti la cabinet ni chikala no chikan do likan nyogum to kana wude shalke martini leo lumoro chala do nena ajeni chikan nyur sitting chikan to ko ngai kona parliament cha gang no wal take a pass deal almost a year akena tam chine to an obna be kana du bana dol no me chala ne chala no me palka dol cabinet ni ka je key members of parliament me sina dol ka je ajeni wone lat ka dol batam chi dol che toga ajeni ba dol ba je ko tok but chala ne wan no chi tok do be da ne ga ke parliament ka je wa o jeni wa cha dar ma char cha je yen kan o ti da ma char te gwalok so cha go ro be te ne timo tibu nyur gwa skel ka je o da ne chala gwa semene cha jo me cha je kwen no di me da ne lok je no bna nyur ka je akui ko cha da ma char cha je yen kan tamale aljele lugre wi ke juba jenta da lat kene je shio ite ka dol malat ke ka jo chalat gwas me jene bi kan look bi kan tok bina nyur ka kwi South Sudan ba jene ke nyam te ka training ma ba na kon train ka je kan it kon la members of parliament jene bi ko no je kan yal gwa kel ba na train kan anu ka parliament ko dong de la teramu ka irar gor ko no bi kan direction mi jirit bi kan ko no releka ko ji kan goro ba kum ba jo la jor ka parliament ko parliament te ke ri ko ne la lien kan e dial ko lat ke je life I can know ba train ba jo ko no lat ba buga kont lo te ke meeting to one after those meeting mi can agree ka do bran we can parliament session we can talk je and then we ko barar so gor kan direction jen ta dan kan lel ke je so jen ja kon ko ne ba malat ke Dr. Martin me ben jen kana ga ke cha ga ku siyasa ka nyu de no ga ga jela to ka ku politika ko cha da ma char cha je yen jen malat ken no ba na ba la kono ngi ba la kono train nyo again you know coach na chi gen so you can go dong ba kalo we mo ka roanti dit and all that so jenta dan len ngaru den ke ja an ban jigal rodien biat kamal bye bye